In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Wet Circle in Krita. Press B to activate the freehand brush tool. Open the Brush Presets docker and search for Wet Circle. Select the brush to start painting. Use pen pressure to control your strokes. Light pressure creates softer and lighter marks, while heavier pressure creates darker and stronger strokes. Start with light strokes to build your shapes and colors. Add more pressure or paint over areas multiple times to create stronger texture and depth. For larger painted areas, increase the brush size using Shift and Drag or the size slider. Use broad strokes to create smooth textures and cover more space. To adjust the brush texture, press F5 to open brush settings and change the available options to control the brush effect. The Wet Circle brush is designed to create a smooth and natural painted texture. It's great for painting, blending, soft shading, and creating rounded brush strokes when you want a clean painterly effect. And that's how to use Wet Circle in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.